Hey you guys, what is up? I just wanted to show y'all really quickly. I was over here working on my shelf. It's not completely done. I'm just kind of getting it like together. I did take a lot of the polishes I had off of here off, but I did keep a lot of them because I do want to use them. So I decided to keep ones that I do want to use and then add ones that I want to use. Like I'm gonna just kind of keep rotating it out to ones that I haven't used and I want to get to where I've used and I just like to use my go-tos and things like that. So far this is what I have up here. No really particular order kind of. I know I did put all the Wet n Wilds like here. I just threw these here just a few minutes ago. And then I'm always using blues, so I decided to just put a bunch of the blues that I like to use back there. Those couple I recently got from Dollar Tree I do want to use. These couple of I have a couple colors here that I use like when I do my mom's and my mother-in-law's nails, so I wanted to keep those handy so I could just grab them. So I have some to the back there for them and some darker colors, the Halloween colors that I share with y'all that I want to try to use this month. And then I'll be putting those up afterwards and I'll put something else up. I'm keeping all of these here just for now because I'm going to share an indie polish collection, and some of those are indies, but these are new ones that I just put up here. And then these are ones that I have recently got from Sally Beauty Supply. I just used this one on these nails. This one I haven't used yet. I do want to get to this one, so I kept that one there. This one I might put up. All of the LA colors I kept here, but I'm going to rotate them out. I'm going to keep some and put some away. I just haven't got to that side just yet, but I did go through my Sinful colors and I pulled out some that I definitely want to use. I have a couple of Sally Hansen's back here that I want to use, and that my mom, she likes those colors. But most of these are different Sinful colors that I want to get to. A couple I've had up here, so these are ones that I definitely want to use. So that's what I've done so far. So the next part I have to work on, I'm going to pull all of these off, kind of figure out what colors I do want to keep up here to use, which ones I don't, put those away, and then maybe I can fit a few more up here. And then I had some boxes on this shelf. I just completely emptied one, so I'm going to figure out if I want to put anything back in that box and put it back up here, or what I want to do right here. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm going to bring my nail tips up to this shelf and, you know, just kind of rotate some things. So yeah, so far that's what I have done. Like I say, still not really in that much of a great order. I just kind of threw things up here. I was gonna go and like color coordinate, but after it was just so many polishes, I was starting to get overwhelmed, so I just stuffed them in there in any old kind of way. So far that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna organize this a little bit, my acrylic stuff as well, and have that looking a little bit more together and better. And yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to show you guys what I had done so far. All right, bye you guys.